Material: oil pastels. I'm always obsessed with painting backgrounds. I'm using calligraphy pen here. Pointy spatula works well with tiny forms. You just need patience when working with details. Scraping off the shape of hydrangea. Refill the shape with colors and shading. Illuminated surface on top right. Backlit surface on bottom left. Start to form petals one by one. Darker colors on backlit surface. Add more color variations on Terminator. Lighter colors on illuminated surface. Decorate with petals. Old favorite tradition, peeling off the artist tape. I hope you enjoy this mini paint. See you in next video.